Hello bright minds, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to derive the common formula to solve in any kind of quadratic equation. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Here a, b and c can be any number. Okay, in the first step I am going to take this c into the other side of the equation. So we have a time x squared plus b time x is equal to, when we take plus c to the other side of the equation, it will become minus c. Now I'm going to divide whole equation by a. If you divide left side by a, then you have to divide right side by a as well. Then left side can be written as a squared divided by a plus b time x divided by a, which is equal to minus c over a. Now in the left side of the equation, this a and a going to be cancelled, and then we have x squared plus b over a times x is equal to minus c over a. In the next step, actually this is the tricky part of the whole process. What I am going to do is I am going to add b squared over 4a squared into the both side of the equation. So now in the left side we have x squared plus b over a times x plus b squared over 4 times a squared. So right hand side we have minus c over a plus b squared over 4 times a squared. I will explain you in the next step why I have added b squared over 4 squared into the both sides of the equation. So we know that for any real numbers m and n, m plus n whole to the power 2 can be expanded as m squared plus 2 times m times n plus n squared. Now think about the left hand side of our quadratic equation. Following this m plus n whole to the power 2 expansion, this whole part can be written as x plus b over 2 times a whole to the power 2, which is equal to b squared over 4 times a squared minus c over a. So if you expand the left side, you will get the same thing. Think about m is relevant to x, n is relevant to b over 2a. So m squared, which means x squared plus 2 times m times n, which means 2 times x times b over 2a, n squared, which means our b over 2a squared. So here 2 and 2 going to be cancelled. We have x squared, we have b over a times x, we have b squared over 4a squared. So this is completely 100% correct. So now we have x plus b over 2a whole to the power 2 equal, here I'm going to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4 times a. Now we have b squared over 4a squared minus 4 times a times c over 4a squared. Now x plus b over 2 times a whole to the power 2 is equal to, now 4a squared is our common denominator, it's a common denominator. In the numerator we have b squared minus 4 times a times c. In the next step, I'm going to take the square root of both sides of the equation. So now we have square root of x plus b over 2a whole to the power 2. Right hand side we have square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over 4a squared. So here when we take square root, we have to consider plus and minus both values because we have done squared in the previous step. So now square root of and square going to be cancelled. Then left hand side we have x plus b over 2 times a equal to plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by square root of 4a square. Then x plus b over 2 times a is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c over square root of 4a squared is equal to 2 times a. Now x plus b over 2a, I am going to add minus b over 2a into the both sides of the equation. Here we have minus b over 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a. Now then in the left side b over 2a and minus b over 2a going to be cancelled. We have left x only left hand side, which is equal to, here 2 times a is the common denominator. In the numerator we have minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. Alright, so this is the common formula to solve in any kind of quadratic equation, and this is how we derive it in mathematically. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and hit the subscribe button if you have enjoyed the video.